Comfort seekers and adventurers, welcome. Prepare to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road. It is anticipated that this amazing vehicle, which combines superb performance with sophisticated Scandinavian style, will completely transform the RV market. Thanks to Volvo's recognizable sleek, aerodynamic lines, it strikes the ideal mix between elegance and utility and radiates refinement from the exterior. We anticipate an advanced electric drivetrain, perhaps with 2 electric motors for strong and smooth all-wheel drive, augmented by a large battery pack for increased range and emission-free driving, as the high-tech brains behind it all. The dashboard's sleek, futuristic appearance greets you as soon as you enter. A big, vertical infotainment display that functions as an intuitive, fully integrated control center has taken the role of buttons. All the information you want is shown on a stylish digital driver's display behind it. And a 5G connection and integrated Google Assistant make sure you're constantly linked to the outside world and your navigation. As soon as you walk in, you will feel the true spirit of Scandinavian design. The inside is roomy, bright, and elegantly decorated. Using environmentally friendly materials, such as Nordico and thick wool mixtures, is not only visually appealing but also gratifying to the touch. Unhindered views of the natural world are made possible by large panoramic windows, including a glass roof, which let the splendor of nature permeate your cabin. Its adaptable design, which includes sliding and swiveling seats, makes it simple to convert this room from a cozy lounge to a sophisticated eating area. The bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome provides a peaceful haven when it's time to relax. A king-size bed with a comfortable mattress is one instance of how modern style and functionality may coexist. Flexible ambient lighting and concealed storage give the ideal setting for unwinding. Volvo's refinement even extends to the bathroom's design. Thanks to its high-quality materials, contemporary fixtures, and the potential for a water-saving shower, this bathroom is small but effectively utilizes the space that is available. Together, style and functionality make sure that you receive what you want in a comprehensible and straightforward manner. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. Probably built for traveling cooks, this kitchen features energy-efficient, modern appliances like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a useful sink. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to ingenious counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?